Hello, in front of me I've got the altars. In this video I'll show you how to check the radiation level. To check the radiation level, take a look at the bottom left corner of the display. Radiation level is located right there on the circle divided in 3 sections. You can see the current radiation level outside and the one that is your character exposed to. Radiation level is really dangerous in case you are outside because it can harm your character. Keep it below the second segment. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.